You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of these people. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary from Mexico, history, or Native American names, stay tuned. Mexican, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll want to learn from. Spanish, local pronunciation in Mexico, Rarámuri. Rarámuri. The stress is on the second ra syllable. Rarámuri. How to pronounce Rarámuri. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.